Securing the drones, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in our modern world: securing the drones. Whether you're an English learner curious about technological terms or just someone interested in drones, this video will clarify what securing the drones means and why it's important. So, let's get started. Securing the drones might sound straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. To secure in this context means to make something safe and protected. And drones, as you might know, are unmanned aircraft or flying robots that can be controlled remotely. So, when we talk about securing the drones, we're referring to the measures and practices to ensure that these flying devices are used safely, without posing risks to people, property, or national security. With the increasing use of drones for various purposes, from recreational photography to delivering packages, ensuring their security has never been more critical. Securing drones helps to prevent unauthorized access. Just like securing your smartphone or computer, drones need protection from hacking or misuse. Ensure safe operation. Proper security measures ensure that drones do not collide with other objects or invade restricted airspaces. Protect privacy. Drones equipped with cameras could potentially infringe on people's privacy if not properly regulated. Securing drones involves a range of strategies, from technical solutions to legal compliance. Here are some key methods. 1. Using encryption. Encrypting the data transmitted between the drone and its controller can prevent interception and unauthorized access. 2. Geofencing. This technology restricts drones from flying in certain areas, such as near airports or government buildings, to avoid security risks. 3. Regular updates and maintenance. Keeping the drone software up to date can protect against vulnerabilities and ensure the drone operates safely. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to secure the drones and why it's such an essential aspect of modern drone usage. Whether you're a drone enthusiast, a technology student, or just curious about the topic, understanding the importance of drone security is crucial in today's interconnected world. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay tuned, and happy flying!